All right, we're live. Welcome everyone to the final workshop of the day. Thank you for joining our B2B Growth and Innovation Summit today. This is the first day, and I'm super excited to welcome a good friend of mine, Clayton Wood, joining from San Diego today. Clayton built several multi-million-dollar businesses in search engine optimization. He's a digital strategist, and some of you might know him as he co-hosted several summits with us at Growth Marketing Conference, and we produced also Event Marketing School together. Welcome to the event, Clayton. How are you?
Oh, wow. I'm great, Vasil, and thank you very much for having me today. And hello out there in marketing world. I hope you all are having a good day of learning. And if you've stayed this long, then you must be enjoying the conference. So I am pleased to wrap up the day with a couple of things that are relevant for SEO in 2020. I see some folks that are excited about talking about SEO in the chat. And if you've just joined us, I'd love to hear where you're from. The other folks may have asked you this, but I'd love to know who I'm talking to and where everybody's at from around this beautiful world of ours. I see we've got Alla. She's telling me that I'm electric, so I'm going to have to get excited.
Yes. We need it for the last session of the day.
Well, listen, marketing is exciting. And if you ever get too deep into the technical stuff, just take a zoom out at 30,000 feet and you can start to see how that small changes and tactical strategy can